Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get 300 DPI resolution images in Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you have your design open in Canva. This could be any project you're working on, whether it's a poster, flyer, social media graphic, or any other design. Having your design ready is essential because you'll be adjusting the export settings to ensure you get that professional print quality resolution. Once your design is open and you're happy with how it looks, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the export and sharing options Canva offers, and it's where you'll control the quality of your final output. After clicking Share, a menu will appear with several options. Look for the Download option and click on it. This is where you'll configure how your design gets exported, and more importantly, where you can control the resolution and file format to achieve that high-quality 300 DPI output that's essential for professional printing. Now, this is the crucial step. In the File Type drop-down menu that appears, you'll see several format options. Click on it and select PDF instead of the default PNG or JPEG. But here's the important part. Once you select PDF, you'll notice another option appears asking you to choose between digital and print. Make sure you select print. This is absolutely essential because the print option is what triggers Canva to export your design at 300 DPI resolution, which is the industry standard for high-quality printed materials. Next, depending on your design and Canva plan, you might see an option to select your color profile. If this option appears, you'll be able to choose between RGB or CMYK. RGB is typically used for digital displays and online use, while CMYK is the standard for professional printing. If you're planning to send this file to a print shop or use it for physical materials, CMYK is usually the better choice. However, if this option doesn't appear for you, don't worry, the print PDF option will still give you that 300 DPI quality you need. Finally, click the Download button to save your file. Canva will now process your design and export it as a high-resolution PDF. This might take a few moments depending on the size and complexity of your design, so just be patient while it prepares your file. Once the download completes, you'll have a professional quality 300 DPI file ready for printing or any other high-resolution needs. And that's it, you've successfully exported your Canva design at 300 DPI resolution, perfect for professional printing and high-quality output. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.